Welcome to another video on using Canvas. In this particular video, we are going to be looking at beginning modules. So beginning to use modules within Canvas. So here I am at my Canvas dashboard, and I'm going to choose the course in which I want to have the module. So I'm going to choose HMS Math, and I'm going to go down here to Modules. Click on that. When modules come up, now you can see I've already got some things in here, but I'm going to go add a module, say for Wednesday. I've already started a week here, and really all these beginning, when I click on module here, what's going to happen is, let's go ahead and do that, Wednesday 9/7/16, and I'm going to add that module, and all I'm really doing is just adding a header here. There's really nothing inside of that particular module. And I don't have to put anything inside of them if I want to use them as headers. So it shows up at the bottom here, and what I'm going to do is drag it up to the top, okay, because I want my modules, my most recent module to be at the very top of the page. So if I were working in the week of September 6th, and I had one for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I would want that to be on top. Next week when I go to September 12th, I'm going to drag that above September 6th so that the newest modules are always on top so that students can get to them as quickly as possible. And one of the things that's nice about modules is you can even set modules to be your home page. So rather than going to a home page that might have a lot of information, the modules are just what's going to come up, and the students can go directly to that module. So I've created a module, okay, and like I said, there's nothing in it, so I want to start adding components into that module. So I click on the plus button. Once I click on the plus button, I have to decide from here, do I want to add an assignment, a quiz, a file, content page, a discussion, text header, external URL, or an external tool. And I'm not going to go into each one of those right now, just going to talk about a few of the features of modules. So let me cancel this for just a moment and go back here to Wednesday. And I'm going to edit this particular module. One of the nice features about modules is you can lock them. So if I don't want my students knowing what's going to happen on Wednesday until Wednesday, I can set this to open Wednesday, September 7th. And if I want to, I can even set a specific time for that module. So let's say I don't want them seeing it till they get to school. So I'm going to set it for 7:30 a.m. Okay, now nobody's going to be able to get into that module until 7:30 a.m. on September 7th. Another nice thing I can do with modules is I can add requirements. So here I've got a module open that I've already started, and I've got it clicked over here where students must complete all of these requirements. Students must move through requirements in sequential order. So if I have different items set up inside of my module, say I've got an agenda first, they would have to read the agenda before they could view the video. If the video is second, they would have to view the video before they could go on to the practice problems. If I have after practice problems some homework, or say an exit ticket, I could make it so that they would have to do the practice problems before they would do the exit ticket. This way I can make sure that students aren't just clicking through to the end and getting things done and submitted without going through each component of the module. Once I've got everything set up like I want it to be, then it's just a matter of updating the module, and now all of the things are in place the way that I want them to be. And that's just a beginner of what you can do, some of the things you can do with modules inside of Canvas.